So recently I was asked that how could I find out that which blockchain development courses is better for me. I'm a complete beginner. I have no idea about blockchain, decentralization, how this infrastructure work, what are the technology is required to build a decentralized application, whether I'm able to get a job and internship or not. So which bootcamp or which project I should follow in your platform. So that's why I'm making this recording, to let you know that what are the resources we have on our platform and which one is better for you, so you will get the most benefit out of it. So right now you will find that I'm logged into my account and I'm here in my account section. So if you come back to the paid courses, there you will find three boot camps. We have this one blockchain course project. In this you will master every single thing which you have to know as a complete beginner. So if you want to start blockchain development absolutely from fresh, you will master complete front end, you will master complete blockchain smart contract development, you will build one of the best and industry ready project with all the feature where you will learn about the pricing model, you will learn about the betting architecture, you will learn about multi-contract layer, that how multiple contract can communicate with one another and perform the transaction. You will master complete front end, that how you can build front end where you can allow user to interact with your smart contract which you have deployed on the blockchain. You will learn about the Solidity smart contract and the way we're going to follow the entire smart contract structure, that every single lecture is going to be connected. You will feel that you have connected one lecture with the next one. So in that way what will happen, that every single thing will be recalled when you will start applying all the logic we're going to develop in the project. So that's my intention, that whatever you're going to learn, we're going to utilize all of that. I tried my best to include all the available resources which you will find right now in decentralized ecosystem to include in this particular bootcamp. So you can check this one. So this one, it's a huge project. It is close to 110 hours or 20 hours long content we have in this, which you can have a look. And the second one we have is for the front-end developer. So if you're absolutely beginner and you want to focus on the web development where you have to know about Next.js, React, you want to run about the context API, you want to run about the APIs, how you can able to manage the state, login credential. So this is really powerful for you, in which you will build the complete project from scratch and you're going to build the entire API calling model, the architecture for the API handling where you not exhaust your entire rate limit. So that's the one of the main thing we are focusing on this, that how you can manage APIs, how you can able to distribute and build the entire system for any decentralized application. Because when you will start working in the company, there is a dedicated team of 3 to 4 who are going to build this architecture. So you will manage completely alone how you can able to pass the query on the same models to get multiple data. So one router where we can pass multiple query, filter measure, not giving excessive load on the single route and exhausting our rate limit. So that's what we'll follow. So this is the complete, those who are interested in web development. So you can check that one. And here we have the most advanced one where you're going to build a private blockchain. So I would highly encourage you that if you are an intermediate, even you can start as a beginner, but if you are intermediate, then it would be very helpful for you to just follow this one. If you have understood about the blockchain, how blockchain work, how the infrastructure work, what is a little bit understanding of coding if you have, then you can start following this private blockchain. There you will build the complete infrastructure for a blockchain where you will build your own blockchain, deploy your contract and build your application. So this is going to be a core blockchain development. Right now you will find many companies are adapting this particular technology in their own organization. IBM is one of them. Many health industries are also adapting this technology. They're building their own blockchain ecosystem where they can store the data and perform all the models. So if you are interested in core blockchain development, then I would highly encourage you to go with this one. There you will build every single infrastructure. You will learn about that, how you can design the class model structure, the blockchain blocks, what data you want to store in the block, how you want to validate that, how you can provide the multi-layer accessibility, because you can also add this feature, how you can generate the native currency for the blockchain so user can be able to perform the transaction. So this is very important. So these are the three bootcamp we have. If you're absolute beginner and you want to become a full stack blockchain development, then this one is for you, because once you complete this one, you are ready to get a part of this industry. You can be ready, fully ready to work on any project. It will give you an idea so you can build any type of project you can get. This one is for the web development and this one is a core blockchain development. If you really understand, there would be a huge demand and the salary is insane. So I would suggest you that start with this one and then switch back to this one. If you are interested in web development, then you can go with this one. You all have these three options. So I hope now it's clear that which one you have to follow and every single thing is looking perfect. So once you will enroll in the course, it's going to reflect in your courses. So you can come back to your courses, and I'm already enrolled in each one of this. So if I want to start any one of this course, I can click on the start now, and I will come back to my play section. I can come back here, I can see the models which I have, and I can navigate and achieve, and I can play the video, and I can watch and start following the coding. If you want to start with a private blockchain, you can click on this and you can start with the private blockchain. Then you will find all the model, all the projects we have in this. So you can come back here, you can check all the models we have and how we are exactly following it. So this one is really powerful. I would highly encourage you to check all of these three model, watch the video. You can simply log in and you will find this is the private blockchain course we have, which you can have a look, watch the video. That there you will find the models, the parts, the topics which we have covered extensively is given. If you come back here, go back to the pro blockchain development, there you will find all the details, that you will find the lessons we have, the hours, that's all you will find. You can watch this video, that's all the models you will find. So you can have a look. Every single detail is given. You can check that what are the topics we're going to cover, how we're going to utilize it. That's all you will find. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. Now I hope you have an idea that how you can able to navigate each one of this. So that's the only thing I want to cover. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to reply that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.